Defnyddiwch eich Cymraeg. Use your Welsh. Heddiw, today, we're going to learn how to chair a meeting bilingually. Cadeirio cyfarfod yn ddwyieithog. Pam? Why? There are a variety of reasons why we as a health board need to chair and hold meetings bilingually. The Welsh language standards, which are set by the Welsh Commissioner, states that we must respect both official languages of Wales and give status to the Welsh language. By holding bilingual meetings, we are respecting the meeting members' preferred language and giving the sense that the meeting is held here in Wales, in addition to showing courtesy and respect. Croesawu pawb i'r cyfarfod yn Gymraeg a Saesneg. Welcome everyone to the meeting in Welsh and English. Here are some phrases that you could use to welcome everyone to the meeting in Welsh. Bore da, good morning. Bore da. Prynhawn da, good afternoon. Prynhawn da. Croeso i'r cyfarfod. Welcome to the meeting. Croeso i'r cyfarfod. Sut dach chi? How are you? Sut dach chi? Pawb yn barod? Everyone ready? Pawb yn barod? Dach chi wedi derbyn yr agenda? Have you received the agenda? Dach chi wedi derbyn yr agenda? Eglurwch fod y cyfarfod yn ddwyieithog. Explain that the meeting is a bilingual one. A bod croeso I aelodau cyfrannu yn Gymraeg neu Saesneg. And that members are welcome to contribute in Welsh or English. Mae hon yn gyfarfod ddwyieithog a chroeso I chi gyfrannu yn Gymraeg neu Saesneg. This is a bilingual meeting and you are welcome to contribute in Welsh or English. Mae hon yn gyfarfod ddwyieithog a chroeso I chi gyfrannu yn Gymraeg neu Saesneg. If you have a translator in the room or via Teams, make sure to introduce the translator and check that everyone who needs a headset has one and that it is working. Ga I gyflwyno'r cyfieithydd? Can I introduce the translator? Ga I gyflwyno'r cyfieithydd? Diolch am eich gwasanaeth heddiw. Thank you for your service today. Diolch am eich gwasanaeth heddiw. If you speak Welsh, try and chair as much as possible of the meeting in Welsh, in order to give Welsh speakers the confidence to use their Welsh in the meeting also. Eitem nesaf. Next item. Eitem nesaf. Ga I gyflwyno? Can I introduce? Ga I gyflwyno? Unrhyw gwestiynau? Any questions? Unrhyw gwestiynau? Pawb yn cytuno? Everyone agree. Pawb yn cytuno. Unrhyw beth arall. Anything else? Unrhyw beth arall. To close the meeting, try and use some key Welsh phrases. Diolch I chi am ddod. Thank you for coming. Diolch I chi am ddod. Diolch I chi am eich amser. Thank you for your time. Diolch I chi am eich amser. Dyddiad y cyfarfod nesaf. Next meeting date. Dyddiad y cyfarfod nesaf. Bydd y cyfarfod nesaf ar The next meeting will be on. Bydd y cyfarfod nesaf ar. Bydd pawb ar gael. Will everyone be available? Bydd pawb ar gael. Hwyl fawr. Goodbye. Hwyl fawr. For more information regarding guidelines for chairing a bilingual meeting, please contact the Welsh Language Department.